Interactive Brokers Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Interactive Brokers and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Interactive Brokers BKR is one of the most powerful and advanced trading platforms built for active traders, professionals, and institutional investors. It offers access to over 150 markets in 33 countries, allowing users to trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. A major advantage is IBKR's industry-leading margin rates, which are significantly lower than most competitors, making it ideal for traders who use leverage. One of Interactive Brokers' biggest strengths is its Trader Workstation (TWS) platform, which provides advanced charting, technical analysis tools, customizable trading algorithms, and direct market access. It also offers IBKR Global Trader, a more user-friendly mobile app for investors who prefer a simplified experience. Another key feature is IBKR Smart Routing, which ensures optimal trade execution by finding the best available prices across different exchanges. IBKR is also one of the best platforms for international investors, offering access to global stocks and multi-currency accounts with low forex conversion fees. Additionally, IBKR provides fractional shares, allowing investors to buy expensive stocks with as little as $1. Unlike many competitors, it also offers direct cryptocurrency trading with low fees, eliminating the need for third-party exchanges. The platform's research and educational tools are extensive, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. However, there are some downsides. IBKR's learning curve is steep, and the TWS platform can be overwhelming for beginners. While IBKR Lite offers commission-free trading on US stocks and ETFs, advanced traders using IBKR Pro may still face small commissions on certain trades. Another drawback is customer service, which can be slow during peak hours. Additionally, there's no integrated robo-advisor, meaning investors looking for automated portfolio management may prefer platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment. Overall, Interactive Brokers is one of the best platforms for active traders, professionals, and global investors. If you need powerful trading tools, low margin rates, and access to international markets, it's an unbeatable choice. However, beginners may find it overwhelming compared to simpler platforms like Fidelity or Schwab. Check the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.